Hello, good morning friends. Here is our third part of evolution of computer. In later two part, we discussing about the how the journey started of a computer. It is started with the abacus machine. So after abacus machine, we also discuss about the Napier's bones, right? So after Napier's bones, we also discuss about the Pascaline. Okay. So after this Pascaline, today we starting our session with a Leibniz calculator. So what is this Leibniz calculator? Leibniz calculator is nothing but it is a improving version of Pascal calculation. We already know about Pascal computer. It is mainly used for additions and subtraction. But after improving version of Pascal calculation, the new calculator is invented and the name of this new calculator is Leibniz calculator. Why it is called a Leibniz calculator? Because the scientist that can be improving this Pascal machine, the name of the scientist is German Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, and on the base of this name, here the name is Leibniz calculator. Okay. William Leibniz is built a mechanical calculator which can do 4 functions. Which type of 4 functions? It is mainly used for getting calculation about additions, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. And after the Leibniz improving version, they also calculate square root problems also. So this calculator was used for the next 300 years. This type of calculator is used for next 300 years. So now I will show you how this Leibniz calculator is working. Here is a working method of Leibniz calculator. Let's see here. So if we want to calculate 7 into 5, so first we set the red gear to on a 7. After set this red gear on 7, we will rotate this handle how many times? 5 times, because we will want to multiplication 7 into 5. So after completing this rotation, after completing this 5 rotation, we will get our final answer. And we already know that 7 into 5 is equal to 35, right? So after rotating this 5 handle, we will get our final answer 35. Okay. So now after Leibniz calculator, the last invention in a journey of computer, that is difference engine. This is not a last invention, but on that earlier time, it is a most advanced calculator ever. Until now, the whatever the machines we have discussed, whatever the calculators we have discussed, all are calculators, right? But the age of real computer starts with Charles Babbage. The age of real computer starts with Charles Babbage. His imagination of computer was looking like today's computer. His imagination of computer was look like today's computer. He gave a new direction to computer. Because after the invention of this difference engine, we will get the idea about the new advanced technology of computer. So we call him father of computer. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage in 1822, Charles Babbage designed a first automatic calculating machine, and that machine is called difference engine. That's why it is called the most advanced machine on that days. Because with the help of this Charles Babbage machine, nowadays we will getting an idea about a digital computer, right? With the help of this format of difference engine computer, we will find the path of new digital advanced computer. Okay. So in 1822, Charles Babbage designed the first automatic calculating machines, that is named difference engine, right? It could perform complex mathematical calculation. Complex mathematical calculation means toughest mathematical calculation. They can be done in just a seconds. But even after working on this project for 10 years, this machine never comes into reality. So from that time till today, we will getting a new advanced technology, because the imaginations of Charles Babbage is just looking like today's computer. Okay. So this is all about the journey of computer, which will be started with abacus and completed with a difference engine. It is not completed with difference engine. but difference engine is a machine that will be give a new path for a advanced technology of computer. Okay, so we will ending our session here of evolution of computer. In the next session we will meet with a new chapter. Okay, bye bye, take care.